Okay, how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Illuminous 4K screen paint using ambient light rejection technology gain, showing you the most superior ambient light rejection screen paint on the market. This right here is our Supreme 8. As you can see, I have sunlight coming in and the screen looks absolutely fantastic. I'm just moving the camera around just to show you how the screen is picking up. And as you can see, all my windows are open, plenty of light pushing through. We have no awnings, no black shades. And the screen looks absolutely incredible. This is the way it's supposed to look. Now keep in mind, no one wants to be subjected to a dark environment. Why should you have to be subjected to a dark environment? Because you own a projector. And this is where our technology comes in. It allows you to be able to use your screen just like a TV. And there's sunlight right there. There's the window right there pushing in. I can show you black contrast levels without an image is washing out or fading. Something a light gray screen or white screen will never try. Hello? Send me back here doing hand puppets. Bring that back to the beginning. Show you my windows. So you can see where the light's coming in. From here all the way around. Look at the image. Keep in mind, in this demonstration, the backgrounds are black. Add some light to the environment. Look at the angle gain. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration on one of the best ambient light rejection screen paints on the market. I'm Kenneth Bird from Luminous 4K Screen Paint using ambient light rejection technology. Game times 8, 9, and 10. Thank you for your time. I have to go. God bless.